Good morning, children. Good morning, Bhavya and Saksham.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just two students. I think we should wait for others to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, how many of you have got the workbooks this year? Have you purchased the workbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So let's open our workbook today and let's do leçon zéro. Have you got the books, children? Children, open page number 5 of your workbooks. How many of you don't have your workbook?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Meta. How many of you have workbooks and how many are without the workbook? Tell me. If you don't have the workbook, I'll share pictures from here. I'll share the screen with you so that we can do a little revision for our exam.
Ma'am, as per the syllabus, only chapter 0 is coming.
Yes,
so
only chapter.
body parts will come.
No. Body parts will not come, Beta, in chapter 0. That is what I'm saying. Let's just practice this chapter through our workbooks. How many of you don't have the workbook?
Ma'am, I don't have.
You don't have. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just share screen right now with all of you. And from this screen, you can do the work.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. Good morning. Those who have the book can do it in the book itself, and those who do not have, please take out your copies and you're going to write the entire thing in your copy and do this work. Okay, so the screen is here before you all. Yes,
Ma'am, what we have to write?
I'm showing you, Beta. I'm showing you the screen, what you're supposed to write. We are just doing a little revision work before our exams. This is for our exam. Okay. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what you'll do is, what is the question here? Write down question number 1 in your copies. Those who have the book can do it in the book itself.
Ma'am, do we have to post the answers on the book?
We'll discuss the answers, Beta.
Ma'am, this is not in our book.
This is not in your book. That is why. That is why I'm sharing
Ma'am,
it.
this is in the second book. Ma'am,
Yeah, this is in your workbook. Those who have the workbook can do it in the workbook. Those who do not have, do these questions in your copies.
Ma'am, in the UT only lesson 0 will come or lesson
Yes.
1 will also come?
Beta, only lesson 0. Because lesson 1 is
Okay,
so
ma'am.
lengthy, we are not able to do it till now also. A little part is left, isn't it?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we are on exercises.
Yes, we are on exercises, beta, but a lot is left in those exercises also. Okay, I have clicked the pictures of the entire chapter now. The first question is relier les colonnes. What does it mean?
Ma'am, match the columns.
Match the columns.
Match the college.
So will you be able to match all of them correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Once you do it, raise your hands. We'll discuss the questions side by side.
I'm done.
All of you
Yeah,
have
I'm
done?
Ma'am, done. Yes,
No,
ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Because children, those who have the book, you must have done. The ones who are doing in the copy will take a little time. So let's wait for them also.
Ma'am, Ville means city.
Yes, it's called V, not ville. It's called V.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. The first one, Le 14 Juillet, matches to which option?
Ma'am, la fête
Ma'am,
nationale.
Very nice.
option
Option C, La Fête Nationale. Paris,
Ma'am, la
love
ville
is
capitale.
La big capital.
option D, La Vie Capitale. Le drapeau français,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
blue,
option
blanc, rouge.
Blue,
Blue,
blanche,
blanc,
rouge.
blue.
Blanc, rouge.
Bleu, Blanc, Rouge. La Tour Eiffel,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
a monument.
okay.
A monument.
Option F, un monument. Number 5, La Marseillaise.
Ma'am, option
La
A.
Ma'am,
La and patriotic.
Okay. L'hymne, everybody say l'hymne.
Limn,
L'hymne
Lim-
patriotique.
Limn
Lim
patriotic.
patriotic.
Team patriotic.
Yes. And then l'euro,
Ma'am, la monnaie
Ma'am, La
European.
Monnaie.
la
Europe.
monnaie européenne. Very nice. Now, time for the next screen. We have this one. Oh, this is question number 6. Wait, the screen is not there. Okay, children, give me a minute. I'll just send it. Okay, here it is. Question number 2. Now, children, write these questions also.
Ma'am, if we are having the book, we also have to write.
Beta, then you have to write in your book only. You are supposed to do this
Okay,
work
ma'am.
in the book itself, because this is workbook. Those who don't have the book, they have no choice but to do it in their copies.
Ma'am, on which page it is?
Beta, this is page number 6 of workbook. Page number 6 of the workbook.
Ma'am, this is small one. Some small notebook.
No. See, I'll show you the book. This is the book. This is the one that we do in the class, right? This book you all have. But some of you might have this, some of you might not have it. This is the workbook.
Ma'am, I have another one.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell what to do in second question?
Can you?
Ma'am, what to do in second question?
Second question, beta. Nome six pay francophone. Now, which is a francophone? What is a francophone? We studied in the chapter.
Ma'am, in which countries this language is spoken?
Yes. A country where French is also spoken along with English language. So you have to name those 6 countries. Now the names are given in the book. What you will do is you will find it from the book and then write it here.
I have learned that already, so I've written by myself.
Okay, good. We'll discuss it later after you finish doing the work. We'll discuss it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the third one, ma'am, can we write any type of word? Like it can be a verb also.
Any type of
Ma'am, any type of word, like if I
word.
have to
Okay.
write.
In the fourth one, you can write any kind of word. Yes.
Ma'am, like if from C I have to write, so can I write comment?
Come on, you can write come on. Okay,
Come on.
beta,
Yes, ma'am.
I will not make it wrong, but then try to write nouns. The nouns
Okay,
that
ma'am.
we have learned. There are so many words from letter C.
Ma'am, what we call hospital in French?
Hospital is called hôpital. The same spelling without S. Hôpital. And on A, we have a circumflex on letter A.
Shant. Ma'am, in fourth question, can we write adjectives?
Yes, adjectives can be written.
I'm done.
Okay, everyone has done?
I mistake. I got disconnected.
Okay, 5 more minutes, then we'll discuss. It's fine, 5 minutes would be enough, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand the fifth one.
Beta, which is the fifth one? I haven't yet shared the fifth one.
Ma'am, we have to match the accent with the accent grade.
Okay, what you have to do is you have to see what are these mete loco loto colon appropriate. You have to put the
Ma'am, we
correct
have to put
stickers.
the
Put the correct stickers. Now, what is la virgule? La virgule. Which sign, which punctuation mark is this? What they have written in these five numbers, they are all punctuation marks. It's full stop, it's question mark, it's hyphen, it's apostrophe and comma. So you have to match it. First of all, for this, you
Ma'am,
need to know what a
I'm
virgule is.
asking for fifth one.
Yes?
Ma'am, I'm
you're
asking
talking-
for fifth one.
Fifth one, okay, beta, okay. I didn't see it here. Mete l'accent aigu ou l'accent grave. Now, in these words, you have to see what comes. It's accent aigu or accent grave. Okay, let me show you my board. Which sign is accent aigu?
Ma'am, we are not able to see the board.
Now, can you see?
Yes,
Now, can
ma'am.
you see? Yes. Aigu, accent aigu is this sign. which comes on letter E. It only and only comes on letter E. Is that fine? But accent grave comes on A, E, and U.
Yes, ma'am.
That's grave. Okay, now we have to put these accents. A simple rule to put this accent is argue. I'm talking about argue. It gives a sound to our words, like in the word baby. Baby. Now, what sound is giving to E? A sound. Like we have in Hindi, we have A ki matra, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
then what is the job of this of accent graph? It gives a sound. Like in Hindi, we have a ki matra. As simple as that. It comes on words like reg. We don't call it reg. What do we call? Reg. We don't call it mare. We call it mare. Okay? Now try to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done, children? Done this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now, what is the answer of the first one? What are the names of the first six countries that you have written? Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, La France, La Belgique, La
Okay,
Suisse,
La Belgique. Beta, La Belgique.
La Belgique, La Suisse,
La Suisse.
La Suisse,
Hmm.
and ma'am, ma'am, it's
Le
LUX.
Luxembourg. Le
La
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg, ma'am, Canada,
Okay.
and Togo.
After Canada, what did you say?
Ma'am, Togo.
It's written in the book somewhere?
Yes, ma'am, in the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
I still could not get the country. Which country are you talking about?
Ma'am, TOGO. Togo.
TOGO.
Okay, Togo. TOGO. All right. Then coming on to the next one. What is the next question? Nomme de fromage français. Who will answer it?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Ridhima.
Ma'am, they are Le Gruyere and Le Camembert.
All right. Le Camembert and Le Gruyere. Or it could be La Brie as well. Have we studied Brie in this chapter? BRIE?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Le Brie. Okay. Then next. The next one, the Monument Français. Who will answer, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, La Tour Eiffel and,
Okay.
and La Louvre.
All right. La Tour Eiffel and Le Louvre.
Ma'am, I have written one more. It's Notre Dame Cathedral.
All right. Le Cathédrale de Notre Dame. Then, the vin français. Now, two French wines. What are those?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, Bordeaux and Champagne.
Champagne?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is champagne written here?
Ma'am, it's a French.
But champagne is another, it's not a wine. Champagne is altogether a different drink. It doesn't come in wine.
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll name Le Bordeaux and Le Bourgogne, the names of two wines. All right. Now, coming on to the fourth one, écrivez des mots qui commencent par les lettres suivantes. Write the words that start by the following letters. So we have a wide choice in it. We can write any two words that start with these alphabets. What have you written for C? Alishba.
Ma'am, Kado and Shot.
Chateau and Kado. Very nice. What is the
Ma'am,
other
I have
one?
written chocolate and coke.
Okay, then for letter H, who has written what for letter H?
Ma'am, I have.
May I?
Ma'am, I have.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Pranjal Gupta will tell. What have you written for H? Pranjal Gupta doesn't seem to be here. Navya Goyal, what have you written, beta?
Ma'am, home and halls.
Okay, Om and what is the second one?
Ma'am, halls.
Horloge. Is it horloge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, horloge. Then, with letter P, Alan
Ma'am, can I?
Tandon, what have you written with letter P?
Ma'am, with P,
Yes. What two words have you
ma'am,
written?
I have written pate and paid. Ma'am, pate and paid.
Okay. Path, P-A-T-T-E. That's path. And what is the second word?
Pay.
P-A-Y-S.
P-A-I-D.
P-A-I-D.
P-I-E-D.
Okay, P-E-D. P-E-D. Fine. Le P-E-D and the first one was path. Good. Then with letter F. Who will tell for letter F?
Can I?
Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, fromage and fête.
Very nice. Fromage and fête. Okay, done. Now, mettez l'accent aigu ou accent grave. Now, which accent will come in the first word? All of you put your cameras on. Which is the first? What is the accent on the first word?
Ma'am, IQ.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, accent.
Very nice. Accent aigu on letter E after F. Then second, règle. Règle, I had already given example on the board. So we have accent grave on E, on the first E. Ridhima, what have you given on the third one? Which accent will come? On the word
ma'am,
frère.
grave,
Accent grave.
grave,
Grave. Very good. Accent grave. Then Navya, on mère.
Ma'am, exograph.
Very nice. Accent grave on mère. Then we have Alishba. Are you there? Alishba doesn't seem to be there. Aditi. Okay,
Ma'am,
Bhavya.
accent
Which one?
Ma'am, accent argue.
Accent argue on both the E's of tele. It will be on both the E's. Correct? Then the word décembre. Which accent? Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, accent.
Accent argue on the first E. Is that correct? Only on the first
Yes.
E. Then American. Ridhima.
Ma'am, it is argue.
Yes, argue on letter E. Then Bhavya. What about velo? Unmute yourself. Okay, it is accent argue. It's accent argue, right? This is what you said? Yes, on letter E. So we're done with it. Now coming on to the third one. Let me share the third screen with you. The next screen, I mean the sixth question. Okay, can you see, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to paste those stickers, and those who do not have the book can just make those symbols. Again, write it down and then let me know so that we can discuss it.
I'm done.
Everyone has done? All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the first one? La virgule. Virgule stands for
I'm
Comma.
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 Le point,
Ma'am, full
Point.
stop.
full
Ma'am, full
stop.
stop.
And
Full
le
stop.
point d'interrogation,
Question mark.
question mark.
Ma'am, question.
Le trait d'union,
I'm dash.
hyphen. It's a hyphen.
Hyphen.
And l'apostrophe.
Ma'am,
Apostrophe.
Apostrophe.
It's an
I'm
apostrophe. Now, the next exercise. What is the question? Regardez les images et donnez les mots en français en mettant l'accent circonflexe. Now, what does this question mean? Can anybody tell? Regarder les
identify the
images is very
image.
simple. Regarder les images means
Look at the image.
Ma'am,
Yes.
look at the image.
look at the pictures or the images.
Look at it.
A donner les mots. Donner les mots is also very simple. And what is the word donner? Donner means to give.
Ma'am, give the words.
Give the
Give
words.
the name.
Give the words. After it, give the words in
France.
French. En mettant. By putting. By putting what? By putting which accent?
Accent circumflex.
Very nice.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to do? What is the first word? Tell me.
Ma'am, a gâteau.
A gâteau. So do we put this thing accent circumflex on gâteau?
A. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
on A.
Yes. Write down. G-A-T-E-A-U. And we have, what do we have? Circumflex on letter A. Gâteau. Then the second one. What is the second one?
Ma'am, a hospital.
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 Hospital. How do you write hospital?
Ma'am, as H-O.
Hopital.
Hopital.
A-L. And where does the circumflex come? It comes on
Ma'am,
O. Letter O. Then the third one. What is the third one?
ma'am, the window.
Ma'am, window.
Window. Now what is a window called? Anyone knows what a window is called? It's called a fenêtre. And what is the spelling of fenêtre? F-E-N-E-T-R-E. And we put circumflex on the second E after N. It's called a fenêtre. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the last one is hotel. They already have written the word hotel and the circumflex has been put. So I hope children it's clear to all of you till here.
Yes, ma'am.
We have
Yes,
only
ma'am.
this chapter coming in the UT, so prepare well, very well. I think we'll have one more class after today's class before exam. Will we have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the